Hello guys, and welcome to the Inspirational Trader. This is your technical analysis for the 19th of June 2015, and just before we begin, as always, remember this is general advice only, not personal advice, so do trade at your own risk, as I am not responsible for any losses incurred. So a little bit late today with the analysis, but here it goes anyway. We did get a the euro has been rallying a bit, and we did see that it did try to test this 14.41 key resistance level. It wasn't able to break through yesterday. It did form a pin bar reversal here. It's not the best pin bar that I like to see due to it is still a bullish candle, so puts a bit of a span in the works. However, as we can see with the 50% retracement of the bar, we are currently sitting on a bearish candle and looking to take profit from roughly around this between the 8 and 21 day EMA. So that's pretty exciting at the moment. Now we go to the pound. So the pound, it continues to rally high on the back of good economic data. So definitely very bullish at this stage. We've seen quite a few support level, resistance levels being crushed at the moment. We are sitting between the 59.36 and 58.09 levels. Providing that price action can stay above this 58, we are likely to see a resumption of the bullish trend and rally and go further up. However, it is quite oversold. It's getting to the oversold stage at 69.44 on the RSI. So if we do see a breach of this 58.09 level, it is likely we're going to get a retest of this 8-day EMA, and as long as there's no significant data coming out from the US, we are likely to see a resumption of the trend later on in next week. So this is probably one of my favorite trades of the week. It's the pound Aussie. So it's been on a roll this week, very bullish. It has been flirting with this 204.08 key resistance level. It did close above it on Wednesday. We did see a bit of a retracement on Thursday, and this was a great opportunity to buy again at about the 75% retracement level. And so as long as we get this to close above this 204 level today, we are likely to see further resumption of the trend earlier in the week on Monday. So that's a pretty exciting trend. Like I said, it is getting into oversold territory, so we might see even a further retest of these 21 and 8-day levels before we see further bullish action, but we'll wait and see. At the moment, I am still long on this trade from about the 201 level, so we'll see how it pans out, and hopefully I'll net some decent profit there. Now the pound yen. So again, another pound related trade, being very bullish in the last month or so. Very exciting. It is though topping out, getting to its I feel like it is very oversold at the moment, and it's nearing the key resistance of 196.33. So on a weekly chart, it is sitting at 74 on the RSI. So although the bias is still very much bullish, the price action is showing us a bit of weakness here, and a bit of a top out signal there. So we'll see whether it just consolidates a little bit and further breaches, but at this stage we are having this inside bar formation form. So I'd like to see a bit of a retest of this 192 level before going long again. So I do have a take profit set very close up here, so I'll let that one ride and see how we go before going bullish. So now onto the S&P 500. Netted some, so from the pin bar that I discussed on Monday, did get a 50% entered on the 50% retracement and took profit just under the 21.20 mark, so there was still a little bit more in it, but better be safe than sorry. So I am looking for a bit of a sell-off. Just in the recent months we've seen so much consolidation happening and just selling off and rallies all the time, so I am expecting to see further breaks of 21.36 later in the next week, or possibly later on in the month. So we'll see how that one turns out, but for a short-term trade I am bearish on this pair, and looking for a bit of a retracement back down to the 2079 level, so we'll see how that one turns out. Now for the final pair today, we do have the Aussie New Zealand dollars. So this one's just been rallying the whole, for the past couple months. It's had a phenomenal retracement up from, the on par was about $1 1.01 levels. So we'll see what happens here. It's still very bullish, and I am expecting for this to continue later into the year, but for a short-term basis I am expecting a retracement of about 50% at least after this huge bullish candle, before we see further gains. And once this RSI comes down a little bit lower into the 60s and 50s. So that's it from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and if there's any currency pairs that I missed that you want commentary on. And I will see you guys tomorrow, so on Monday, sorry. So everybody have a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe, because I do bring out a new video every day, Monday to Friday, and a one lesson per week video on the weekend. So enjoy that, guys, and I'll see you on Monday. Safe trading.